Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So today I am doing an unboxing for BeeBeeCrafts. Now I know a lot of you use BeeBeeCrafts and heard of BeeBeeCrafts. So they contacted me and asked me if I'd like to do an unboxing and a couple of videos for them. So I had a little peek at their website, which is lovely. Lots of beads and jewellery findings and all sorts of crafty products on there. And I pick some bits and pieces because I thought, oh, I could do a couple of projects. So I had a few ideas. So they've sent me this today. So I thought I would do the unboxing so that I could have a play for the next video. So if you wanted to do an unboxing for them, you can. And if you have a YouTube channel and 100 plus subscribers, I'm going to pop a link down below and you can join their YouTube program. So I'm going to pop all the links down below as well so you can join that and have a little look and see what they've got. And also if you put G5, which is GI5, in your order, you'll get £5 off if you spend $40. I mean $40, $5 off if you spend $40. So it's worth having a quick look. You might fancy something in there. So I'm going to show you what I have picked out. I've picked 4 things. Okay, so in here, let me take these out. Now the first thing that I picked was this one here, and this is some chain. I wanted it, so I'm going for sort of like a bronzy sort of colour. So let me just open this up. Whether I have to open it, I probably need a pair of scissors just to cut this open like this. So we have got some little bits in here like that. It comes in this little kit like that. So you get a reel of chain. Now let's open this up and see what it's like. So I have a few ideas that I would like to do. So that's obviously holding the chain. It's like a I don't know what it's called, but they're like little round links on here. Let's just open this up. It's quite a nice different style chain. So if you can see there, they're little sort of round links on there, which I thought was quite nice. Now I'm not sure how much you get on there. It doesn't really say. It doesn't say on here either. So I'll see if I can find out how much chain you get. You also get some little lobster claw clasps, if I can say that, on there. Probably get about 20 or so on there, I think. So they look quite nice, don't they? I picked the sort of bronzy colour, bronzy brassy colour, because it's quite nice, isn't it, for a change, instead of the shiny silver or gold. So we've got some lovely little jump rings there. And there, I won't leave those out. And then I think these are like little pendant clips on here, which you can hang something off. So I will figure out how I can use those. So that's quite nice, isn't it? So they're lovely. The quality is quite good. This is quite heavy. This seems to be quite heavy, so it seems quite nice. But I will be doing a video where I make some bits and pieces with them as well. In here I picked some wire, and I believe there's 3 different sizes. So this is lovely. So on here, so this is 0.8 millimeter, which is, I think it's 20 gauge on there. I think that says. This is 0.3 millimeters, which is 28 gauge wire. And on this one is 24 gauge, and that's 0.5 millimeters. So this one obviously is the biggest, and you get 11 yards or 10 meters. This is 109 yards or 100 meters, and this is 33 yards, which is 30 meters. So that looks quite nice. I'm not quite sure how you get it out. Let's see. Okay, so you must just move. Oh, I think this just moves around, or it might even just come off. Oh, I think this just holds it on, doesn't it? Gosh, not very bright, am I? That's quite nice, isn't it? So I have a few ideas. So I'm quite excited about this. I know it's just wire, but it's quite exciting for me. So that's nice. Now, that one's quite thin, and that one's really thin. What did I say that was? 28 gauge. Ah, that looks extremely thin on this one. Let's see if I can find the end. There we go. Is that 28 gauge? It says 28 GA. I don't know whether that's 28 gauge or not, but there we go. That's very thin. So we will find some little projects, I think. So that's the wire, and then I got some beads. Now I've got these, which are glass beads, which are, look how shiny they are. I did think they would be a little bit bigger, so that's my mistake for not really looking at the size. They're 5 by 4 millimeters. So, but they are absolutely beautiful colours. Let's see, is it all in one? I think they're tied. Are they tied up here? Like that. Look at that. Look how beautiful they are. Nice and shiny and sparkly. So you get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 strands. Yeah, 10 strands, but it doesn't really say how many beads you get on all, but you get lots, absolutely loads of these, and they are just beautiful. They are glass, so they're really, really nice and very, very shiny. You almost got like a little metallic-y look over the top, haven't they? Which are gorgeous. Now I really do like those. And then these are little pearls, which I ordered. Let me just get something to help me open these up. These are in a nice little plastic container. I will pop all the links down below anyway, just in case you want to pop over and take a look. Such as, oh, there we go, it just flips off. Oh, look, these are nice little container in there. These are some beautiful pearl beads. Look at that, and they're lovely, aren't they? Do I get two? Is there 2 different sizes? There's 2 strands on there. I don't think they're different sizes. I think they're the same size, but they're not the round pearls. They're like the funny shaped ones. They're not completely round, but I have a really lovely idea to make with these, so I love them. They are really, really nice. Really pretty. So there we go. So that's what I have ordered. I will pop all the links down below, and don't forget, if you wanted to have something sent to you and do a review on it, you can contact them. I'm going to put all the details down below. I'm going to have a little play with this, so in the next video I will show you what I have made, and I think they are really, really nice. Lovely. So I'm going to have a little play, and I will be back to show you what I have made. Alright guys, well thank you so much for joining me. All the details are going to be under the video, so please pop along and have a little nosy at their website. Alright guys, thanks for joining me. Take care, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.